We have a lot to do in December: shopping, cooking, wrapping, social events, work stuff, family stuff. The list is long, and we do a really good job handling it. But the holiday season should be enjoyable as well as productive. Don't you think? We should we should be able to have fun, relax, enjoy the season too. And for me, that means protecting my energy and giving myself time and space to do the things I love. Not leaving the things for me at the end of my list, but including them as things that are just as important as anything I'm doing for the kids or for family or for work in the holiday season. Protecting your own energy so that you can actually enjoy the holidays is one of the best gifts that you can give yourself. So, I have a few little ways to protect your energy this holiday season. I have three ideas that I'm going to share with you today. The first one is to set boundaries that make you feel good. We tend to think of boundaries as something that we set for other people to follow, but it's actually the opposite. Boundaries are for you, not for other people. You can't control what other people do or say or how they behave. You can only control what you can do or think or say. So, here are a few feel good boundaries that you can try this Christmas. I will book downtime into my calendar so I have a chance to relax and not rush through each day. I will put my phone away while at events so I don't see anything pop up that makes me feel pulled in multiple directions at once, and I can enjoy the moment I am in. I will buy easy heat and eat foods, takeaways, or simple cheese and cracker options for simple dinners on busy weeknights. I will turn off my phone in the evening so I have time to relax and watch a show or read without being interrupted. I will buy a couple of extra nice things for myself so I can be sure I will receive things that I love at Christmas. Okay, the second idea is to proactively set your intention for every social activity that you go to. Whether it's for a social event or a work thing or even Christmas Day lunch with the family, taking a few moments to set your intention for it can make it feel easy and fun when you get there. So before you leave the house, take a few quiet minutes by yourself, all alone, to visualize it being easy and enjoyable when you go to do that thing. So, for example, the drive will be smooth with no traffic. You'll find a great car park easily. You'll see people that you love to spend time with as soon as you walk into the room. The kids will be happy and well behaved. There will be food at the event that you enjoy. You'll be able to relax and enjoy your afternoon or evening. It will be lovely to catch up with colleagues, friends, or family. The drive home will be easy. You'll have a relaxing afternoon or evening afterwards. Now, the third concept is to include the things that you enjoy. Yes, we want to include outings and fun things for the kids in the holiday season, but you are just as important. So, write a list of all of the things that you personally enjoy at Christmas and then book time into your calendar to do them in December so that you don't miss out. Some of my favorite things to do in the holiday season are decorate Christmas cookies and eat them, have a December date night with my husband. We watch Die Hard because that's our favorite Christmas movie. I like to watch Hallmark Christmas movies while I wrap gifts. Play Christmas music each evening when I'm cooking or hanging laundry or just, doing stuff around the house. I like to have lazy afternoons by the pool and easy platters for dinner. And I like to do a fun advent for myself. I'm doing mindful Christmas colouring in this year. And I like to do a puzzle throughout December. It doesn't have to be a Christmas picture. I still call it my Christmas puzzle. But yeah, I like to do one in December. And I love to drive around looking at Christmas lights with my family at night. Although it's pretty late here because we're in daylight savings, so the sun doesn't actually go down till like 8:30. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you want to take next steps as far as simplifying Christmas goes, you can check out my Make Christmas Easy planner. It's a simple set of prints that help you get organized for Christmas without stress or overwhelm so that you can relax and enjoy December too. I'll leave a link in the description for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.